You have been chosen as the onsite contact by an amazing Wedfuly couple. We are looking forward to working with you. This video will help set you up for success as the onsite contact. If you have any questions after watching the video, please contact the couple. Prior to the wedding day, we ask that you join in on a rehearsal or AV call. This will ensure a practice round of setting up and becoming familiar with the equipment. Typically, this meeting occurs 1 to 2 days prior to the wedding. The Wedfuly couple will reach out with the information regarding the meeting time. On the wedding day, we ask that you arrive 90 minutes before the ceremony start time. We will use this time to set up all the equipment on site. A Wedfuly team member will virtually guide you through the onsite contact role with ease. They will help you get all the equipment set up step by step and help answer any questions you may have. Let's get into equipment. This is the equipment that we will be using for the wedding. First, we will start with setting up the tripods. Next, we will talk about audio. Audio will look different depending on the wedding. Here are some examples of the type of equipment you may be using. At times, we work directly with the DJ vendor. If this is the case, instructions on how to connect to their equipment will be covered during the AV call. The appropriate cords will be delivered with the Wedfuly rental box and be provided on site by the DJ vendor. Finally, we will place the designated phones onto the tripods. Make sure the back of the phone is placed into the mount with the front of the phone facing you. The back camera will be at the top. Once setup is complete, all we ask is that you keep your phone on you. Please promptly answer any phone calls or texts that the Wedfuly team sends in order to efficiently help troubleshoot any tech needs on site. After the wedding is done, please pack all Wedfuly equipment back into the rentals box the equipment arrived in. And that's it! Thank you for being a part of making this special day happen, and we look forward to working with you.